Hey guys, it's Jayla. Welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be in partnership with Glogirl Cosmetics as well as Impressions of Beauty. And if you'd like to see how to do some light everyday makeup when you literally have no idea what you're doing, then please keep watching. The first product I'm going to be using is the Burt's Bees Ultra Conditioning Lip Balm because nobody wants no dry, cracked lips under any type of makeup. That is not cute, so get that in check. Now we're going to go in with the Clinique mascara for your eyelashes. Now mascara is amazing because it really makes your eyelashes look less bald-headed and it lets all your friends know that your eyelashes got inches. And this is where you get to go nuts on your top eyelashes, but if you're not too careful, then of course, that's going to happen. But for your bottom lashes, you want to be a little more subtle because as you can see, it's real easy to start looking like, the corpse bride, and that's really not a cute look, so go ahead and clean that up.
You gon' miss your opportunity, like don't see, nigga, pick up your feet, nigga, like don't see.
Now for blush, also by Clinique. I really don't know what brush is appropriate to use, so I just chose a big one. You're gonna smile and dust it on your cheekbones like so you look alive and perky. Yes, God. Lipstick, honey, I literally never use lipstick, so I was pretty excited about these nice shades that Glogirl sent me. I am a light-skinned chick, so I was a little nervous looking at that dark one, so I started with the lighter one, which is called Dopeness Satin. And it's kind of like a light purple, like a lilac, and it looks really dope in the sun. Hey, dopeness. That's pretty cool. I thought it was really cute. I think it could look even cuter with maybe some lip gloss on top of it. But this lipstick went on so well, so easy, and then it also came off really well. So I definitely might be wearing this to some type of event later. So now for the dark one, this one is called Smokin Satin. I think the color is really pretty. I definitely could have benefited from being a little less heavy-handed. As you can see, I packed it on pretty thick. But I think that you can definitely just get away with 1 or 2 passes over your lips since this color is super pigmented. But I mean, it's really pretty. Kinda cringing watching this back because oh my god, girl, you don't need no more lipstick, you're good. But I will link Glogirl Cosmetics link in my description box. They have more than just lipstick, so definitely give them a try. Thanks so much guys for visiting my channel, and if you like my video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.